Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know in the chat box. Ajish, Nandini, Melanie, please do turn on your cameras. Settle down yourselves. I shall just wait for a minute so that some more students can join us. Just a minute to go because I have only 3 students with me. Right? Why only few students? Only 3 students today in the class. By the end of the class, there are approximately 15-16 students. Good evening, everyone. Today, we are going to start a new topic that is profit and loss. Okay? We are going to start profit and loss. In the last class, we completed percentage chapter, and this profit and loss, in this also you have to use the concept of percentage, and this chapter includes lots and lots of formulas, But before moving to the formula, I would like you to learn something. Okay, what's that? So we are going to learn certain words that you might come across in the chapter profit and loss. Yes, Prisha? You have raised your hand, beta. Prisha, want to ask anything? You have raised your hand. Ajish, am I audible or not? No one is responding to me. Please do turn on your mic and respond, beta. Anyone? Okay, mics are... Okay, now you try to turn on your mic, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes, now I can hear you all. Yes. I thought why I'm not able to hear you guys. Okay. Topic name Prisha in the starting of the class. It was all the topic name, that is profit and loss. Today we are going to do profit and loss. And before starting profit and loss, let me introduce you with certain concepts. So first one is CP. Full form of CP is cost price. What does this cost price mean? This cost price means the price at which you buy any product. Okay? The price at which you buy any product. You can say purchasing price as well. Okay. Full form of CP is cost price, and cost price means the price at which you buy something. Suppose you are going to buy a packet of Lays and you give 20 rupees for the Lays. So that 20 rupees is the cost price that the seller demands, right? And SP is selling price. Selling price is the price at which you sell something. Suppose you buy the chips in 20 rupees and then you take that chips to school, and then in school you sell that to your friend. Okay, and you demand for 25 rupees. Yeah, I bought it in 20 rupees, but I shall provide you in 25 rupees. So for sure, of course, if you will sell something, you will sell at a higher price because you need profit. So selling price is the price at which you sell something. And here you have two concepts of selling price and cost price. One is profit or loss. One is profit or gain. Profit and gain both means the same thing. Profit and gain both is the same thing. Loss is another concept. So suppose you buy a pen in 10 rupees. Okay, you bought a pen in rupees 10, and then you went to school and you gave that pen to your friend. So you would ask that, okay, you can take this pen, but I would charge rupees 15 for it. I bought it in 10, but I shall charge you rupees 15 for it. That means actually you bought that pen in rupees 10, but you are selling that pen to your friend in rupees 15. You are selling that pen in more than you bought it, right? Whenever selling price is more than the cost price, you will always have profit. Selling price is more than cost price, you will always have profit. And if I talk about loss, suppose you took that 10 rupees pen and one of your friend, your best friend said that, Ajish, can I take this pen? So you would say that, yes, you can, but I bought it in 10 rupees. So he will say, but I don't have 10 rupees, Ajish. I have only 8 rupees. So Ajish, because he's his best friend, Ajish said, okay, no issues, give me 8 rupees and take this pen. That means he bought the pen in rupees 10, but he sold the pen for rupees 8 to his friend. Whenever selling price is less than the cost price, you will always feel the loss. Okay, you will always feel the loss. So there is two concepts. One, when you sell at higher prices than you paid for it. Another concept is you sell the product at lower price than you paid for it. So if selling price is more, profit. If selling price is less than cost price, it is loss. Yes, Yasha, you just raised your hand.
Ma'am, is this the first video of profit and loss?
Yes, beta, we just started. This is the
Okay,
first
ma'am.
slide.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Utkarsh.
ma'am, I cannot turn on my camera because you are busy and also I can't take the class.
Got it, Utkarsh, no issues. Yes, Nandini, any doubts? You raised your hand.
Like class, another teacher discussed profit and loss.
Pardon, beta.
Ma'am, in a marathon like class, another teacher explained like profit and loss.
So that would be the marathon class, na? This is a regular batch, right? When you studied the profit and loss chapter? Which day?
It was Sunday.
Okay, so Sunday, beta, Sunday, the marathon class, of course, extra classes would be there, right? But this is a regular batch, okay? That is to gain the extra knowledge. Here we will go with the flow as per the syllabus, okay, beta? Okay, there would be a ma'am, right? Yes, I know. Okay, so this is the concept of profit and loss. Any doubts in this? Do raise your hand and ask me.
Can I note it down?
Yes, giving you 30 seconds. Please note it down. Please, quickly. And any doubts? Do raise your hand. Melanie, why are you counting 8, 9, 10, 11? You can note this down, beta. Even if you took screenshot, suppose, and I'm waiting for 30 seconds or 40 seconds, you can note this down, beta. Yes, Ajish, you have raised your hand here.
Ma'am, profit means getting more money and loss um, means getting lesser money than we buy. So it is a topic, right?
Yes, this is the topic, beta. Hope you must have written it. Done, everyone? Done? I think you must have taken the screenshot. Okay. Now, I have certain formulas for you, okay? 8 formulas for you. You can note down this 8 formulas. Eight formulas are there. You can note down the 8 formulas of profit and loss. Quickly note this down. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Please take this. No, don't take the screenshot. Please note this down. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Because it is very essential while we solve the problem. So it must be in your notebook and you have to memorize this. Else, right now, presently, I will tell the use of each and every formula. But first, giving you 2 minutes, note this down, everyone. Quickly. Few more seconds to go. Quickly note this down and also take the screenshot for afterwards. 30 seconds more to go.
Can you give 1 minute?
I gave 2 minutes, Vita. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute more. Please note this down quickly. It is very important. All the formula you have to learn by heart. Okay, I'm giving you 3 minutes. But that is maximum time I can give you because after that I have to teach the questions. Okay, so maximum 3 minutes. 2 minutes over, 1 more minute to go. That's it. Only 1 more minute. Hope done, everyone. Done everyone? Okay? Tell me, done? Now
Yes,
I should
ma'am.
not allow your mic only. Because
Wait,
even
madam.
if I allow your mic, you don't turn on your mic and respond to me. Okay, see. Now, what type of questions you have to face and how you have to respond to that question. No, ma'am, Yasha. Beta, now please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Please, beta. Yasha, Akrati, please do take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot, beta. Okay, hope now you have taken the screenshot. See. So what you have to do whenever the question comes in the examination, you have to find out that which formula you have to apply when. For example, suppose if I tell you that Ria bought a cycle for rupees 2000 and after a year sold it to Rohan for rupees 1800. Find profit या फिर loss. So here the question says that Ria has bought a cycle for rupees 2000 and after using it for 1 year, she sold it to Rohan for rupees 1800. Now you have to find out that whether she incurred profit or loss. Okay, so I know the cost price. Why the cost price? Because the price at which the cycle has been bought, right? Cost price is the purchasing price. So purchasing price is rupees 2000.
Ma'am, profit.
No, not profit, beta. It would be loss. Why? Because Ria
Because it's
purchased.
18.
Loss is 200, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mitran. Loss is of rupees 200. How? So Ria bought the cycle for rupees 2000 and she sold it for rupees 1800, right? Bought for 2000, sold it for 1800. That means from here we can derive that selling price is less than the cost price. And whenever selling price is less than the cost price, we incur what? Loss.
Ma'am, explain again.
Yes, beta, I'm explaining only. I haven't finished yet, beta. Ria bought a cycle for 2000 rupees and after a year, she sold it for 1800 rupees. You have to find out profit or loss. So if selling price is less than the cost price, selling price is less than the cost price, so for sure you will have loss. Loss ka formula you must have noted down. What's the formula for loss?
Ma'am, CP minus SP.
Very smart. CP minus SP, that is cost price minus selling price. So I would subtract 2000 minus 1800. 200 is my loss. 200 is my loss, right? I'm writing this so much beta because I have to explain you 1, 2 questions, 3 questions, or for the first class, I will write and explain you. But once you get the concept, once you learn all the formulas, then we are going to do quickly the questions using the shortcut formulas. Okay? So only for today, we will be learning step by step, and then from the next year onwards, when you learn all the formulas, because today this is your homework, you have to memorize all the formula of profit and loss. You have to memorize it. That's it. Okay? So loss is CP minus SP, 2000 minus 1800 rupees, 200. This is my loss, just the loss. If suppose I was not asked loss, I was asked find profit or loss percentage. Find profit or loss percentage. I was not only asked the loss, but profit and loss percentage. Then what could I have done? I know it is loss, so I had to find loss percent. Formula for loss percent is what? Formula for loss percent is loss upon my CP into 100. So loss is how much? 200. Just put the values in the formula. Cost price is 2000 and into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancelled out. 1 0 1 0 cancelled out. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 10 is 20. Your answer is 10%. If you were asked loss, then rupees 200. If you were asked profit or loss percent, then 10%. Quickly note this down and raise your hand beta if anyone has any doubts. Anyone, any doubts? Do raise your hand here. Quickly note this down.
I'm done.
Hope you must have done. If yes, then I'm going to give you one more question like this.
Ma'am,
Giving you in short form, okay?
ma'am, not done.
Ma'am, we are writing.
Pardon, beta. Could not hear you, dear. Can you please tell again? Want to ask anyone?
Ma'am, writing. Ma'am, and I have a doubt also.
Yes, Ajish, what doubt? Do tell me.
Ma'am, in last we have to do 10 into 1, right?
10 into 1. Yes, beta. This is 10 into 1, na? Because you are left with 10 and here only 1. So 10 into 1, 10%. Yes, Prisha. What doubt do you have, beta?
Ma'am, I am writing this, ma'am.
Please take the screenshot, Prisha, quickly. Because for each and every question, I cannot wait for 2-3 minutes now. So in class, I will have only 2-3 questions only. Please take the screenshot, or else I would really appreciate if you watch the recordings and then you note it down. Please take the screenshot, beta. I can wait maximum 30 seconds to 40 seconds, okay? So CP मान लो 4500, SP मान लो 5000. Find profit or loss. Okay. Giving you question in poll, no one will answer. No one will answer by turning on the mic.
You 5,000.
I asked you to not answer by turning on the mic. No one will answer by turning on the mic, beta. You can answer me in the poll. Here you go. Quickly. Okay, Tejas, Nandini, Yasha. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Almost 8 of you have given the correct answer. Very good, dear. And it was very easy, dear. Cost price is 4,500. Selling price is 5,000. You have to find profit or loss. अब I know that selling price is more than cost price. And if selling price is more than cost price, for sure I will have profit. Profit of how much? 5,000 minus 4,500, that is 500 profit. Option A. Any doubts? Do let me know, beta. Anyone? No? If no, then in the same question, let me know percentage. Here you go. Tell me the percentage. Quickly. Only two, Nandini and Tejas, else everyone wrong. Oops. Beta. What was the formula for profit percent? Profit percent was profit upon में CP into 100. Profit upon में CP into 100. Profit, I know it's 500 because we just calculated the profit. 5,000 minus 4,500. 500 is my profit. Cost price 4,500 into 100. Now just simplify it. 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancelled out. 5 1 is 5 and 5 9 is 45. You are left with what? 100 by 9%. But here I don't have 100 by 9%. So what you will do? You will divide 100 by 9. You will divide 100 by 9. When you divide 100 by 9, you will get 11.11%. 11.11%. That is option B. You can divide and see. Divide 100 by 9. You will get 11.11%. Anyone, any doubts? Do let me know.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. If no, please take a screenshot. Waiting for
Ma'am.
30 seconds. Yes, Ajish?
How did point 11 come?
Divide 100 by 9. You know the division, right? So divide and see. You will get 11.11. Just divide this 100 by 9. Divide it and see. You will get 11.11. Okay. Giving you another question. All the questions from Bharati publication book. Okay. And here you go. Quickly, you can answer me. Starting poll for you. Here you go. Only 3 correct answer. Only 3. Oops. Nandini, Yasha and Melanie has given me the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. CP is given to me beta 420 and SP is given to me 385, right? Here I can clearly see that selling price is less than cost price. That means I will have loss. I will have loss because selling price is less than cost price. So loss ka formula is what? Cost price minus selling price. 35 is your answer. Option B. 35 is your answer. Option B. And you cannot get easier question than this. This is the most easy question. Easiest, you can say. Easiest. Okay. I have another question for you.
Ma'am, you have done wrong subtraction.
Pardon, beta?
Ma'am, you have, as you carry 1 from 4 and then take it to the 2, it becomes 12. And as you minus 12 from 8, it becomes 4. But you have wrote 3.
Beta, as per your concept, because I don't subtract like that by taking carry. I subtract like 15 and 20, 35. I subtract like that. We're using the short trick that 85 to make it 400. I am 15 in less, so 15, and that is 420, so 20. So 20 plus 15, 35. Let me clear your doubt.
Ma'am, you are correct.
This becomes 10 and this becomes 1 beta. 10 minus 5, 5. Again, this becomes 3 and this becomes 1, right? 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, 35. Got it, Tejas, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Next question you have. A shopkeeper purchased an article for 475 and he sold it for 529. You have to tell me whether he incurred profit or loss. And here you go. Quickly. Purchased the article for 475 and sold the article for 529. Nandini, Yasha, and Yashashwini. First three to answer me. Nikshita and Ajish has also given the correct answer, but only 5 answer, beta. Beta, this is just subtraction and addition. If you are doing this wrong, then you really need to work hard, dear. You really need to work hard. This is my cost price. This is my selling price. My selling price is more than the cost price, right? My selling price is greater than the cost price. For sure, I will have profit. And formula for profit, you know, it is selling price minus cost price. 529 minus 475. So how much it is? 54. 529 minus 475, it is 54 profit. That is option A. And it is that easy, dear. Anyone, any doubts in this? If you're facing any problem, do let me know, beta. No doubts? Okay. If no doubts, yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, I not understand this question now.
Beta, Prisha, you just have to use the formula, beta. That is, profit ka formula is selling price minus cost price. My selling price at which I have sold it for 529, that is my selling price. Purchasing price is the cost price. So purchased for 475, that is my cost price. Selling price minus cost price will be the profit. 529 minus 475 is the profit, that is 54. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. In this question only, can you please calculate profit percent or loss percent? Tell me what the profit percent or loss percent. Calculate it and tell me in the chat box. Let me see who is the first one to give me the answer. Quickly, beta.
Ma'am, more questions.
Pardon, Yasha?
Ma'am, can you give us more questions?
Going to give you more question, beta, but first another question that I gave you is find profit or loss percent of the same question. CP is given to me, SP is given to me. Find P percent, that is profit percent or loss percent. Tell me the answer quickly. Same question, now just find profit percent or loss percent. $78 profit, no. No, Nandini, you are also wrong. You are also wrong, Nandini. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. Profit we calculated, right? Profit we calculated 54 rupees. Profit we calculated 529 minus 475. That is 54 rupees. Now we have to calculate what? Profit percent. For profit percent, I have the formula profit upon my CP into 100. Profit upon my CP into 100. Profit is 54. Cost price is 475 into 100. Now what you have to do, you have to simplify this. So this 475 and 100, as far as I feel, this can be simplified by 5 also. And this can be simplified by 25 also. 25 into 4 is 100. And tell me, 475.
And 17.
17? I think it's 19 as far as I know. It's 19, beta. It's not 17. Please do recheck.
19, ma'am, 19.
Right? It's 19, right? Yeah. It's 19. And 54 is not divisible by 19 because 19 threes are 57. 19 threes are 57. So 54 is not divisible by 19. So what will I do? I will just multiply 54 into 4. So 54 into 4 is 216. Right? 54 into 4 is 216 upon May 19, right? So it would be 216 upon May 19%, somewhere around 11.3%. Somewhere around 11.3% approximately 11.3%. You can divide 216 by 19 and you can check beta. Somewhere you will get 11.3%. Divide yourself and see and tell me,
Ma'am,
was it correct or not?
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Whenever profit percent is being asked to you, beta, you have to use the formula profit upon CP into 100. Okay, and then I will put the values. So profit we have just calculated now 54 rupees. So I will put 54. Cost price I know it's 475. 475 into 100. Now this 100 and 475, it can be simplified using 25. So 25 into 4 is 100 and 25 into 19 is 475. Now this 54 and 4, it cannot be simplified by 19. So what I will do, I will multiply 54 and 4. So 54 into 4 is 216 and denominator I have 19. So 216 upon my 19% is my answer. And if I convert this in decimal, so I will divide 216 by 19. Divide it, you will get approximately 11.3%. Yes, Ajish?
ma'am, I did not understand that you told us to divide, but I can't understand how points are coming.
Beta, that is so basic. You have to practice this. I cannot divide each and every sum for you, right? Because in the examination, you will get different digits. So you have to practice that division. Telling you the basic method. 1 times may 19, right? So how much it is? 26. Again 1 times may 19. How much it is? 7, right? 7, right? Now you will put a point, then a 0. Now 19 into 4 is 76. 19 into 4 is 76. You can, and it is only 70, which is less than 76. So 3 times in you will take 57. So approximately you got 11.3%. Got it? But this beta you have to do yourself. You have to practice yourself. Because in examination you will be getting different kind of digits, right? What great news you have, Yasha? Tell me. What great news is that? Okay, I have one more question for you. Here you go. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer for this. कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया भाई? अरे वाह यशा, 20 out of 20 in UT. Which subject? Quickly answer me, beta. Mognish, Yashashwini, Tejas, first 3 to answer me, very good. Prisha, Melanie, Nandani has also given the correct answer. The rest, everyone wrong and did not answer, right? Okay, let us see, beta, how we will do it. The question says, Rahul buys an old scooter for rupees 4,700 and spends rupees 850 on its repairs. Okay. One concept that you always have to remember is, yes, Mognish, want to ask something? Your mic is on. If no, then please do turn it off, beta. Okay. So, one concept you always have to remember, that cost price includes repairs, transportation charges, or some extra kind of charges. Okay, whatever extra kind of charges you take before selling it. Before selling it, if you have some repairs, transportation, lodging charges, whatever extra charges you have, that is included in cost price. So for this question, my cost price is not only 4,700, but it is 47 plus 850. For this particular question, my cost price is not only 4,700, but it's 4,700 plus 850. You can easily add it. 5,550, right? It's 5,550. Now, the question says that he sells the scooter for rupees how much? For rupees 6,120. My selling price is more than the cost price, right? My selling price is more than the cost price. That means I have profit. Profit of how much? Profit of selling price minus cost price. So 6,120 minus 5,550, you will have 570 profit. Option C. 6,120 minus 5550, that is 570 rupees profit. Any doubts, anyone? Do let me know.
Ma'am, misclick.
Okay, Miss Click, but still, this is the concept that you have to remember, that if in the question you have a cost price and apart from that you have been given any kind of extra charges like spent on repairs or transportation, lodging, always include that in cost price. Any doubts, beta? Anyone? Please raise your hand. Anyone? Bhargav, Vakrati, Mitran, Melanie, Tejas, Nikshita, because you have your videos off. I don't know whether you are present in the class or not. Any doubts, anyone, beta? Yashashwini?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. If no, then I have a question for you. Tell me the answer for this particular question. Here you go. Quickly. I think I just misclicked it. The answer. I'm really sorry. Let me check. Yes, I just misclicked the answer. Yes, Ashwini and Akrati, you have not given the correct answer. I'm really sorry. I just misclicked it. Mognesh, Tejas, Prisha, Nandini, and Yasha, you have given me the correct answer. I think I just misclicked it. See, cost prices 4299 and extra repairs is transportation is 450. So total, how much did he spend? Total he spent is 4749. When you add this 4300 and 450, you will get 4749. Right? And my selling price, it is 4489. Selling price is less than the cost price. So I will have loss. Selling price is less than the cost price, so I will have loss. And loss ka formula, I know it's what? CP minus SP. 4749 minus 4489, you will have 260 rupees. Option D. Tell me anyone, any doubts there? Anyone beta, any doubts?
Ma'am, actually, I was abstracting and I completed it in the last 1 second, so I didn't click it.
Okay, no issues there. Okay, I would like to ask Nandini. Nandini, you are in Assam, right? So what about the flood, beta? I'm watching so many news related with the flood. Is everything okay there?
We are in Lower Assam and the flood is in Upper Assam.
Okay, Upper Assam. So everything fine in your area, Nandini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Because I'm presently I'm watching lots of news related with Assam flood now, and I was not aware about it. That what's the situations currently? Okay, tell me any problem in this, beta. Anyone any problem in this?
No, ma'am.
So if no, tell me one thing, why aren't you answer correctly? I'm getting only 3 to 4 correct answer. Every question I ask, do you have any problem? You tell me, no ma'am. But still I get the wrong answers from your side. Okay, one thing you have to do today as a homework. That is the formula that you learned, right? You noted this down, right? These formulas. You have to memorize this formula. This is not just the formula, but this you can term as short tricks. Right? Today we used 1, 2, 3, and 4. We use these 4 formulas. In the next class, we shall use the remaining formulas as well. But before starting the poll questions tomorrow in the sense next class, don't tell me ma'am tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow means the next class, whenever we have the next class. So in the next class, first I shall ask formulas with you, from you, okay, one by one. Not necessarily I'll take everyone name, but I can call out anyone. So each one of you will memorize the formula and sit in the class. Yes, Ajish, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, actually, we didn't learn that much in the class today. Why?
So if you did not learn in the class, beta, no issues. Today was an excuse day for you. But next day is not an excuse day because you have a Sunday as well, a free day for you, right? So only 8 formulas are there. There are more formulas that we will do once we finish the concept of this. There are many more formulas. But once we finish the concept of this, then we will go to the other formulas. First, you will learn all these 8 formulas, okay? 8 formulas. Any doubts in this, do let me know.
No.
Okay, if no, then that's it for today. Next class, please learn the formula and then come in the class, okay? I'm going to ask by picking anyone randomly, and I'm going to ask the formulas. And then I shall start the poll question. This chapter is very important. 2-3 questions you must see in the examination, beta. Please be sincere. Now the chapters we are going to do are very, very, very important. So please focus on each and every question. Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.